What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm headed back to the trim and baseboard and doors. Let me get here on the road here. Hey, how's everybody doing? Headed over to the paint baseboard. Got a couple of doors to change out. Gonna have to hinge them up. So maybe today's video will be on hinging and installing some doors. And see you guys when I get up there. Let's try this again. Oh, it's tight. I'm having a tough time with my tool belt getting it on. Maybe it's time for a new one, or I need to get back on the exercise thing, you know. Woo! Sitting around for these holidays and been tough. Gotta motivate. Time to get busy. A lot of work coming up. Anyway, enough about my tool belt. Like and share, and if you like, subscribe. This is the old door. 28-inch door, and it's like 27 3/4. So I'm gonna get the new door, set it on top, and see what we got to work with. I know that they're too big. The 28, which is a stock door, to fit in a 28-inch opening, but I know that these doors were cut down for whatever reason, but so I need to do the same with the new ones. So let me get the new door, place it on top here, and see what we got. All right, I need your saw to cut. Got it all taped up. And what I do is I mark where my hinges are going to get cut out, and then I mark past. If you mark on your door, just make sure that you mark lightly. No pans or anything like that. We're going to paint it anyway. So here's a router, and we're going to use this little hinge kit. That'll go on there, kind of like that. That'll go on there. Our clamps. I'm going to use the door as a guide, and I'm going to use the factory side. So I flip the door around, use the factory side for my straight edge, and sander and sprayer. But you can use a roller if you want to roll it out. Okay? Alright, let me get set up and let's cut this door down. and rehinge it. Let's see, just a little test fit here. There you go. Be right on that line. Always double check your hinges. I just mark them here. Let's see, look at it. Mark them this way because you want the round side going this way. So I just double check it. If you do it the other way, this here, you'll have to cut it, and then you'll have that there, and it will not look good. Double check your hinges. What I like to do is, even if you don't know which way your hinges are going, you put your back to the hinge side, and if your door, put your back to the hinge side. If your door swings to the left, it's a left-hand hinge or left-hand door. If your hinge swings to the right, it's a right-hand door. Okay, so just a little something that I learned back in the day. All cut out. All right, nice. Sanding, painting. Yeah, gotta paint too. Okay guys, what I'm doing right now is well, this one is drying. Well, you see this one's already painted, and look at that. Quality paint will dry and lay down fairly quickly. Okay, and this is some cabinet doors. You can see that I'm scuffing them up. I'm using a 220, if you can see it there, and then cleaner. And then what I did with the gun is, in this gun here, I had the larger tip for the door, get more material out faster, and then I changed the tip to a small dispersing tip, and I got it set out low. So let me see if I can show you real quick. See if I can plug it in with you here. Okay, let's see what we got. Now it should be a finer tip. Low. So that's what we got with that. Whoa, whoa. You see that? Well, that scared me. And we're dealing here with a little bit of wind. So it kind of like comes and goes. So, and that was one of my biggest fears. Like I was saying before, when I first started painting. Keep your eye on that wind if you're painting outside. I nearly destroyed my work truck, my first paint job. I had to take it through the car wash like 10 times. It cost me like, I don't know, 30, 40, $50. A lot of car wash, a lot of car washes. I kept going through the car wash like 20 times because of the overspray. So be careful with that. If it's breezy out or whatever, do it in the garage. It kind of like it comes and goes. So you gotta kind of like, you got to time it. And anyway, so while I'm working on these, this is just about dry. I'll flip it over and do the other side. I'll paint these, flip this one over to the other side, and then hopefully we'll get all the painting stuff done out of the way. Besides the frame of the cabinet, which I'm gonna roll it with a hot dog roller. We'll see. I think that'll work out. So yeah, so I dropped down to like a 220. I dropped down a tip size, and I'm just scuffing them up, and we'll get these ready for paint. See how it goes. So yeah, the door's already dry. I got the tripod and the camera right on top of the door. That's a beautiful thing when you can do the door, let it dry, flip it over, do your painting all in one day instead of doing one side, coming back tomorrow, doing the other side, knock all the painting out. And I changed it over to the scuffing it up by hand, so you can see how just taking the shine off. Taking the shine off, right down the edge, right down these edges. And then I got 2 more to go. We'll come back, a little bit of cleaner, it's whatever cleaner you want. Blow it off with an air gun. It's ready to go. Yeah, see, it's got it dull. We'll sand it a little more. I'll clean it like twice. That's what we want. Take the shine off, that's it. Alright, let me get this. Okay, cabinets are painted. Now I'm just gonna worry about, I'll hand paint the frame, and we'll let these dry. And the wind comes and goes, but you can use the wind to your advantage. Dries it really, really quick before any bugs get on it. Well, I hear you. I'll be out of here in a minute. Okay. Whoa, first shot. It's a beautiful thing, guys. New door, new hinges, little touch up right there, but and painted all in one day. All right. Thanks. I got one more door. I'm not gonna bore you through that, but wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. Thanks. Okay, doors. I had to clear coat it. Lights. New handle, new fixtures. New shower. Caulking all the way around. Okay. I think that's it. Like and share.